There was a proud teak tree in the forest. He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The teak tree said, "I am very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me." Hearing this, the herb replied, "Dear friend, too much pride is harmful. Even the strong will fall one day." However, the teak ignored the herb's words and continued to praise himself. A strong wind blew. The teak stood firmly. Even when it rained, the teak stood strong by spreading its leaves. At the same time, the herb bowed low. The teak simply made fun of the herb. One day, there was a storm in the forest. The herb bowed low. As usual, the teak did not want to bow. The storm kept growing stronger and stronger. The teak could no longer bear it. He felt his strength giving way. He finally fell down. This was the end of the proud tree. When everything was calm, the herb stood straight. He looked around, and he saw the proud teak had fallen.